Hello, everyone. On today's IRS Tax Refund update, we'll recap the current status of the IRS tax return backlog that many of you are still part of. After that, we will take a look at the recently reported cases by our viewers of refund freezes and some of the reasons why this is happening to some taxpayers and why some impacted taxpayers may expect to even wait longer for their refunds. We'll also check in on additional causes of those refund delays this year, as well as instructions on how to check those tax transcripts online. Now, even though we've seen progress over the last several months, there's still a record high 3.1 million unprocessed tax returns remaining, many of which are still owed refunds as well. Roughly 1 million returns were processed in the month of November as well as the month of October. However, given the current trends, this backlog does not appear it will be cleared and all refunds issued until month of March. Moving on to some of the key reasons causing those refund freezes, can be the IRS is still needing to process your employer's wage information, but also for a number of people, it has to do with those claiming the earned income tax credit or child tax credit, which has been a consistent problem all year long. Because of the amount of improper EITC payments the IRS sent out last year, it looks like the IRS has increased the number of audits for returns claiming EITC in particular. For those who are under IRS audit due to EITC verification, you should receive a notice detailing documentation needed in order for the further processing of your tax return, which will appear as code 971 on your tax transcripts. Do note that even if you've been claiming the same dependents on your tax returns for several years now, you may be asked to submit required documentation in order for that tax return to continue to be processed and eventual refund being issued. For those self-employed who have claimed COVID sick credits, they're among a group who continue to wait as the IRS continues to thoroughly review those claiming those credits in particular. We have seen reports of fraud relating to COVID sick credits, and for those who legitimately are claiming these credits, you're now forced to experience longer than usual delays as a result of the IRS looking into those. A reminder that the refund status tracker on the IRS website is not providing the most up-to-date information in certain cases, and that even our viewers who have since received their tax refunds are still indicating the website is showing that their return is still being processed. So make sure to check those tax transcripts for the most up-to-date information on your tax status. Our viewers continue to report they have discovered the refund delays have been a result of not completing ID verification. If you've not completed ID verification as of this point, please make sure you do so. At the very least, it'll eliminate this as a potential cause for your delay. The quickest way to verify is online at the irs.gov website. However, there are a few instances where you will need to complete ID verification at your local IRS in person if your account has been specifically flagged. Another reason why some taxpayers are continuing experiencing delays is if they're still waiting on the IRS to process their employer's wage information. For those part of this group, they probably received multiple 60-day notices from the IRS. Now, this is required because the IRS must verify the wages a taxpayer entered on their tax return against what their employer has reported. As of this recording, there's still over 1 million employer tax returns needing processing. Child tax credits have been a major issue this year, having not only impacted those claiming the credits, but even those who have not due to the issues they are causing. Earlier this year, the IRS indicated over 12 million tax returns contained errors due to several tax credits being claimed, including CTC. So with the IRS taking resources to correct those issues, it is causing processing delays elsewhere. Now, to access your tax transcripts, you will want to log on to the irs.gov website and click Sign into your account as seen here. On the Your Online Account page, click on the blue button that says Sign into your online account. At this point, log in using your existing credentials. If you've not created an account on the IRS website, you will need to do so by clicking on the id.me Create an Account button as seen here. Once you create an account and log in, this will be your home page. From there, click on the View Tax Records on the right as seen here. Now on the Tax Records page, click on the blue button that says Get Transcript. On this page, click the scroll down button and click Federal Tax on the reason you need a transcript and click the Go button. On the Get Transcript page, simply click on the tax year under Record of Account Transcript and the most up-to-date transcript will be uploaded. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.